Hey, this is Shelton and welcome to my video today. I got a celebration today and it's more of a thank you video, but I want to go ahead and share with you some news that it can make you excited or it can make you want to do a video. So you want to pay attention to this video message because I got something to say. If it's your first time here at this channel, hit that red subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification when I do videos just like this. I do videos every single day and I want you to be notified when I do videos just like this. Now you know what time it is, and it's time to give you the content for today's video message. Now the video message today, I want to announce this is my 150th straight day with a video. 150. Let me see if I can write this down. 150. I'm gonna write this down right live on here. 150 day. I'm gonna write 150. Can y'all see that? I don't know if you can see that. 150. 150th straight day with a video message, with video content giving back to you. And I want to thank you for supporting the channel. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for liking, comment, and subscribing to this channel, because I did this channel for you, to give back to the marketplace, give back to you, give you value about your mindset, about your business, about ideas of growing yourself. I wanted to do this channel especially for you, and I thank you so much for following me. We got a lot more videos to go, I tell you that, and I just want to thank you very much. 150 video. This is my support video, my thank you testimonial to thanking you for subscribing. Thank you for liking and comment. We got more to go. We just launched a Facebook group as well. I'll give you more information about that later on, but I'm so excited to give these videos to you, and I want you to continue to follow this channel, supporting this channel, because we're gonna have a lot more fun, right? I got some ideas we're gonna do, and like I said in other videos I've done before, don't be afraid of doing video, because that's a great way of building relationship. It's a great way if you're selling your product, if you're brand new to affiliate marketing or any type of online business. Start doing videos to talk about your story and what you're representing. Video is one of the best times to do that. You need to go ahead and do your video today. So 150th straight video. I'm going to tell you this. I started doing videos from a video challenge. It started from a video challenge from Ace and Rich way back in early part of the year. And I like to thank them individually, Ace and Rich, for starting that. And also want to go ahead and thank you, my video partner in crime, Lamar Scholes, because he done his 150th video today as well. I know he did his today. So he's another business entrepreneur doing a great job. He's a video marketer just like I am, giving value back to you. So thank you for Lamar Scholes for being my partner in crime in terms of video. And I want to thank you once again for subscribing, liking, and comment to the videos I've done. And we got a lot more to go. In the comment line, I want to hear from you. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget, right below this video, subscribe. I want to see some likes and some comments as well from you. I'll see you in the next video, 151st. 51 video, it'll be 151 videos tomorrow. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day.